working for many years now on how to specifically target cancer cells, and there are several ways of achieving that. I've been involved primarily in translational cancer research and trying to design and implement clinically drug candidates that will be effective in the treatment of especially so-called solid malignancies. One of the ways that we've been utilizing is to specifically target a part of the bacterial toxins to cancer cells. And what does it do is that it delivers a toxin which is extremely potent when given to a eukaryotic cell. But only it will be killing and will be potent on cancer cells because of the way of the delivery of the drug. So for these two things to achieve, we need a good target on cancer cells. And we've been working and we've been identifying specific targets on, for example, brain tumors. There's also a component of tumor cells that behave and present differently from regular tumor cells, and are called cancer stem-like cells. And those two targets that were identified are present on, I cover almost all those compartments. Our drugs or candidate drugs will not be limited only to brain tumors, but also to other solid tumors like pancreatic cancer or breast cancer or lung cancer. So what we're trying to do is to have a vehicle which will specifically recognize those targets, and we attach to this vehicle a potent compound that is actually killing cells, and these are the bacterial toxins. And in combination, the cells, it is being recognized by the drug and accepts the drug because that it on the way of the internalization. After recognition, the drug is being actually like internalized by cells. Then they don't have an escape and they die just because of the presence of the bacterial toxins in a drug. And we have a number of this type of reagents now developed that can target those targets either individually or together. They are very potent and very, very selective. All companies that are interested in developing therapeutics, drug candidates for the treatment of brain tumors and also of other solid tumors. Companies that are interested in developing imaging reagents, and also companies that are interested in development of specific diagnostics should be interested in the inventions that we've made or we are doing right now.